Hi everyone, and welcome back to Automation Fair 2025. My name is Matt. I'm a business manager here at Rockwell Automation in our design software business. And for the next few minutes, we'll be talking about our latest generation of design software for microcontrol, FactoryTalk Design Workbench. On the topic of FactoryTalk Design Workbench, I have the perfect guest, Wanshan Liu. Wanshan, thanks for being here.
Oh, thank you for having me here. I'm so excited to be here. Hi everyone. I'm Wanshan. I'm the product manager for FactoryTalk Design Workbench.
So we're talking about a new generation of software, FactoryTalk Design Workbench. We're showing it here at Automation Fair 2025. But how does an idea for a new generation, a new platform, how does an idea like that even start to take shape? How did this come about?
It came from our customers' feedback about our current offerings. So while Connected Components Workbench, which many people are familiar with, has served the industry well, it presented limitations in terms of long-term extensibility and usability. And then we've consistently heard from our customers that saying they want a solution that simplifies machine development, improves reliability, and reduces engineering time. So our goal is to deliver the next generation platform that meets those needs, scales with evolving applications, and becomes a single design environment for Rockwell Automation's microcontrol systems.
Got it. So it's an evolution of the design space for us, keying in on some performance, some modern usability, but now we do have a generation of install base and users, but now we're making an evolution to the next step, to FactoryTalk Design Workbench, new platform, new generation. How do we continue to support existing install base, existing users, and provide that support on the software that they know already?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. I mean, I know we have many of our customers that still have installed bases that are built on legacy platforms. So we recognize the importance to continue supporting them. So our approach with FactoryTalk Design Workbench software is twofold. One is to continue ensuring that the existing operations can be continued and is stable. And then two is to provide a clear and accessible path to modernization. The platform it supports very familiar workflows, so it enables users to move on to the new platform without disrupting what is already working for them. And then in addition, there are modern capabilities that reduces complexity and improves productivity.
So it's a step forward. It will feel familiar so we don't disrupt the workflows that you know today, but it takes technological steps forward while being a new generation. I mentioned that it's available now, so yes, we're showing it at the show floor, but it's also available for download. When a user would download it for the first time and they're exploring the environment, what are some things that a user should look for as far as value goes, or what's going to stand out to them?
Right. I think the key benefits to the software is first, it offers a modern and unified user experience. So it's built on modern software architecture. It supports consistent programming workflows that users are already familiar with, and allows for faster project development. Then second, it is performant by design. So the customers gain from streamlined workflows, intuitive shortcuts that they already know, and improved uploads and download speed. So this reduces engineering time and improves productivity. And then third, it allows for multi-device management, so users can design, operate, and maintain multiple micro 800 controllers simultaneously. So this simplifies commissioning and maintenance. Yeah, so version 1 lays the groundwork for the core features of micro 800. So in the upcoming versions, for sure, we're going to add more device support and functionalities to provide an increased system design flexibility and scalability to meet the industry requirements. Yeah,
so it's a performative environment. We talked about how it's now a modern step forward in familiar type workflows. It's also a multi-device environment, so it'll feel more like a system. Some of those things came from, as you mentioned earlier, user feedback from our existing generation to now hear from customers, their feedback, build upon that. So what are some of the places where, or what are a few examples where customer feedback was really specific to what we built in FactoryTalk Design Workbench? What were some of the things that we heard that we built on?
Okay, that's a great question. So we actively engaged with our customers throughout the development phase. So from like voice of customers engagement and private meeting sessions during Automation Fair 2024 to pre-release software testing. So we've been talking to them all the time. And then we've got like good usability feedback versus connected components Workbench software. They said it's much improved, and there are users who have said that they liked the modern layout and the consistency with Studio 5000 Logix Designer application. So these inputs are valuable to us. They tell us that we were on the right path, and now we are continuing to be on the right path. And then their input informs our development priorities, so that we know that we will build an application that evolves or meets their needs.
So it was at this show last year where the conversations that now we're going to have this week formed the foundation for all of the feedback, the voice of customer, everything that we've built now was at this show last year. That's the purpose of this week. That's why it's a great show. So now FactoryTalk Design Workbench is available. So we have the first release is out. Customers can download it for free on our website. But where do we go next? What's next for Design Workbench?
Okay, also we're excited to tell you that the upcoming next release will be focusing on completing key features for Micro 800 controllers so that you can troubleshoot and maintain microcontroller systems better. Yeah, so to name a few features, it would be like run mode change, trending, simulator, yeah. And so as I mentioned earlier, that we would be also including broader device integration. And we are also working towards, there's also a great emphasis on security. So we for sure want to focus, we want to align with the broader Rockwell Automation's secure product development standards and user access, yeah.
So release 1 is available now. Wanshan, thanks for being here. Everyone, if you're listening, you can download the software for free. It's available on our website. As always, thanks for being a part of Automation Fair.
Thank you.